All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at QNT really quick here. So, QNT finally lost support at our triangle pattern here. This 121 at this 618. It had a massive candle. Wick spawned in, came all the way down here to this 112 and a half area, down here to this 786. But we've been pointing this out for a while now on QNT that it has a lot of overhead resistance and it really needs to hold 121. So we wicked below it, we lost it. We have a new candle that spawned in, got stuck right at our triangle bottom here. And what I would watch for now, you have all this resistance here. You can see the RSI is below the 50 there. We are below the 200, so take that information as you will. The MACD, or the stock RSI rather, is curled down below the middle there. So the momentum is down at the moment. Let's look at the 3-day. It's curled down. So there's a lot of momentum to the downside on QNT at the moment. Heikin-Ashi candles printing red, no wick, no shadow. So it does have the trend to the downside. You lost support here. You lost this triangle pattern, and it looks like you're coming back down. So what I would watch for, just keeping it simple, I would watch for this 112 as your next support, your next target to get hit down for about a 6% drop on QNT here. You lose 112, like we've been pointing out. About $100 is next on QNT for about a 15% drop. So not a bad buying opportunity in my opinion to scoop some up at 112 once we get down here yet again, and then 100 and potentially lower. So anything below 100 on QNT, I think, is a still of a price. Just my opinion, of course. I do think QNT is going to make a really great trade in the next bull run. So just keep that in mind. If we do end up moving back up for some reason, which nothing tells me that we will on QNT right now, it looks like we're coming to these lower price targets. You have even more resistance to get over. So now that you lost the 618 at 121, and that's going to be your first price for about a 2% move. Then you have the downtrend here for about a 4 or 5% move. You have your 21-day EMA, which is currently sitting at 123. Your 50-day EMA at 125, and then of course 126 at your 200-day EMA. So 21 is curling down, 50 is curling down a little bit. They're all curling down. So the fact that they're all curling down a little bit, you lost support, you have all this resistance. This is just going to keep pushing the price down, in my opinion, on QNT. So a lot of chances to get in on QNT still. That's what you should take away from this. Even though it's pushing down and it looks bearish right now, just take these opportunities, however low it goes, down to 100, down to 88, wherever that may be. Just look at that as wonderful buying opportunities, because I do think QNT is going to be one of the good plays in the next bull run. So just load up now before the halvening in 2024, April of 2024. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. None of this is financial advice. You need to get up over all these moving averages and the point 0.5 here at about 128 to have any kind of momentum back to the upside. 121 to 128, all this resistance here is going to keep pushing you down in price on QNT. So we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.